Danila.
How many of you have seen an advertisement on Indeed from Denver Broncos hiring a quarterback? When was the last time you saw one? Never, right? Definitely promoting from within it's a huge deal. Teach communication and customer service to your employees. Technology. How many of you right here use a specific piece of technology to manage maintenance workflows? Another huge challenge that we have as an industry is how do we keep employees? I'm saying if you have a manager that you make every trusted service manager to make a decision that this is the right person for me, probably you have the wrong service manager in place.